I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run C++ program in Visual Studio 2026. So first here, let's open this VS SSMS. You can see Visual Studio installer. Click on this continue. So this downloaded and install. Getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Thereafter this here Visual Studio Enterprise. So let's click on this modify, and here you can see ASP.NET Azure this all. So they're going to use the C++. So here you can see desktop development with C++. You need to select this option, and here you can get this all. And after doing this one, you need to click on this modify. So this here C++ is now going to install inside the Visual Studio Enterprise 2026. So as downloading the files, the size is 2.19 MB, as well as installing the packages. Total is 272 MB. So this will take some time. Now you can see this here done installing. After that, let's click on OK, and now clicking on this launch button. So Microsoft Visual Studio 2026. Let's click on this create a new project. Here going to select the language. So C++ that's selecting there. You can create this empty project console, CMake, Windows desktop application. So let's click on this console app. Thereafter click on this next. Here you can give your project name, location, and solution name. Let's click on this create button. So this you can see there. After that, let's remove this unnecessary part. So with the help of this code, you can print there hello world. So hello world, here you can see hello world that's displaying. See out hello world. Press enter. The next is here. Let's copy this, and now selecting this all, Control V, Control S to save. Now click on this load Windows debugger. Enter the first integer 7, second entering 6. 7 plus 6, that's displaying there 13. Press enter. So this is how we can here run C++ program in Visual Studio 2026. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.